I recently purchased the NutriBullet Pro Plus blender, which has a powerful 1200 watt motor. This NutriBullet by far exceeds the power and quality of an older model original NutriBullet that I had for over 6 years. This new model, the Pro Plus, has more than double the power, and I'm really glad I purchased it. Here's what's included in the box: a 1200 watt motor base, an upgraded extractor blade, a 32 ounce cup, plus a 24-ounce cup, 2 to-go lids, making it very convenient if you just want to take your smoothie or juice to go, and 2 lip rings to make it easier to drink out of the cup, and a recipe book. I use this NutriBullet every morning to make creamy, delicious smoothies for myself and my family. I also use it to make my green juices and protein shakes, and I've used it recently to make dips and sauces. I love how easily and quickly it crushes and pulverizes fruits, vegetables, and ice. And what I really like is the pulse and auto shut-off functions. The pulse function is great. You can use it to get the exact consistencies when making salsas or want chunkier textures. This is an excellent blender, and I'm so happy I decided to upgrade to this.